Sports on Air.
Anyway, Cap, it's a tough loss for you guys. You were in full trouble. What was going through your mind when you were sitting all that time on the bench?
Just trying to play better, trying to help us win. Oh yeah, like you said, I was fouling a lot, so it was very difficult, you know. Just nerve-wracking, just sitting down, you know. But it was, like you said, it was a tough loss. We'll bounce back in the next one.
Okay, you were facing one of the most physical teams in the PBA. Your thoughts about, of course, facing up with Bo Belga and Juan Conferada inside?
So they're good players, you know. Feel like the refs let them get away with a little bit more than usual, but I mean, it wasn't nothing that we didn't expect, you know, as far as physicality and stuff like that.
Okay, what are the things that you guys have to improve for the next game?
Me personally, I have to make my free throws. We gotta improve on our defense. Our defense was bad. We gave up a lot of easy ones, so I feel our defense is the most important thing we gotta improve right now.
Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.